Okay, who's excited to play games? Okay. Clap your hands for the kids! Clap your hands for the kids. Alright, thank you everyone. Give yourself a big hand. And this group, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise and clap your hands for Riley! This afternoon, let's all welcome Peppa Pig! Ladies and gentlemen, one more time with clap your hands and please make it fast. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Ladies and gentlemen, please sing for Riley. Everyone shout happy birthday, Riley. 3, 2, 1. Something we used to communicate. Something we used to communicate. Come on. I need cell phone without camera. Come on. First two only. Okay, I said you need to sit down. Okay, sorry kuya, you're late. Okay, first winner. Ayan, may tumatawag. Kung sa Goten. May tumatawag si Ma'am Nora Espiritu. Okay, your name. Okay, get your prize, Tyler. You are? Okay, get your prize. Thank you for joining. I'm here. Wait for the items. Wait for the item. A 1,000 peso bill. Okay. Arya? Arya, come. Where's Arya? Ready? You like at? Okay, careful Carla. Okay, ayan.
Ay, see, kayo na lang, Daddy. May ano si Mami earrings. Okay, let's take picture. Okay, everyone say, Hi, Riley! Hi, Riley! No, it's okay, Daddy. Wala pa naman siya natutuka. Baka ngayon pa lang. Okay, come on. Okay, would you like to hold, Daddy? Daddy, ha? Daddy, okay, Daddy.
We're gonna open Riley's birthday gift! Yay! Na-excite na i-open. Kagabi pa to excited i-open si Arya yung mga gift. Kaya lang sabi ko kasi, syempre dapat gising si Riley. Tulog na si Riley kagabi. Hindi na namin magising. Yung ate super excited na. So, ayan yung first na i-open ni Ate Arya.
Let's open this.
What's that? This is Happy Birthday, Riley, from Gabrielle and Dorothy. This is from Tita Elizabeth pala. The treasure chest daw, sabi ni Ate Arya. Si Riley walang pakialam. Tsaka, cute dress. Ang cute naman ito, color pink na dress. Thank you, Kuya Gab and Ate Dorothy. Thank you so much. To Riley, happy birthday, love, Ate Sab and Zion. This is from... Okay. Don't cover the camera, you just sit here. Wow! It's a teddy bear. Thank you. Riley from Tita Cora and Caitlin. Thank you, Tita Cora and Caitlin. Ito guys, from Ginger Snaps. Binili ni ate sa SM Department Store. Habang binibili niya, alam ko na kagad to kasi habang binibili niya, nagka-video call kami. Tinitingnan niya yung size kung kasha daw kay Riley. Ayan, Ginger Snaps siya na pang 24 months. Cute na. Nung nag-video call siya sa akin, cute na cute siya kay Riley. Gusto na kagad niya bilhin. Pero sabi ko kasi parang ang hirap suotin nito. Kasi ayan pala, meron siyang button dito. So okay siya pag nagpapalit ka ng nappy. Ayan. Thank you, Tita Cora and Caitlin Snow. This is from mga cards. May mga cards tayo to Riley. Kasi walang nakalagay kung kaninong name itong isa. From Lola Lina. Thank you, Lola Lina, for the birthday wish for Riley. Thank you so much. This is from Monty and Venus. Thank you. Cash to, cash. Ayan, cash siya. Thank you, Monty and Venus. Lola Tess and Lolo Boyer. This is cash also. Thank you po, Lolo Boyer and Lola Tess. Unicorn book. Thank you po. There's book, a unicorn book. Thank you. To Riley, happy birthday, love, Ate Sab and Zion. Meron ulit silang gift yung kanina, parang galing kay Lara pala yun. So, ito galing din ulit sa kanila. Thank you po. Ate Arya's gonna open it now. Si birthday girl, walang pakialam si Ate Arya na yung nag-open ng mga gifts niya. Wow, a cute dress for Riley! Bambini! Ang cute naman, oh. Thank you, Tita Lara and Tita Rodel. And Ate Sab and Baby Zion, thank you so much. Hindi na namin alam kung kanino galing to kasi si Arya, after party ni Riley, yung iba binuksan niya na, tinanggal yung mga wrapper. So ito hindi ko alam kung kanino galing. Thank you! Thank you so much for Riley's gift. Kanino kaya to galing? Animal Match. This one naman from Toys R Us. Walang nakalagay kung kaninong name siya. Thank you po for Riley's gift. Open it, ate. Si Arya pagkabukas niya ng Toys R Us na gift wrapper, nakita niya kaagad si Papa. That's for you ata, anak eh. Ewan ko kung kanino galing to, nakalimutan na namin. Parang may nag-abot sa akin. Pero wala kasi siyang nakalagay kung kanino. Ang favorite kasi ni Arya si Papi. Ang name kasi niya is Papi sa Trolls. Ayan, gusto niya raw pag nag-5th birthday siya, gusto niya mag-birthday sa merong Papi. So magre-rent na lang tayo anak ng Papi sa bahay. Dadali na lang natin si Papi sa bahay natin. Kasi gusto niya raw makita si Papi sa personal. Katulad nung birthday ni Riley. Nakita ni Riley si Peppa Pig. So sabi niya, gusto niya rin daw magkaroon ng ganon. This is from... Happy birthday, Riley. This is from Ate Erin. Kay Ate Erin galing pala ito. Wow! A stuffed toy again. Wow, it's so soft. Thank you, Ate Erin. Puro si Ate Arya ang nag-open. Pa-open mo naman kay Riley. To Riley, happy birthday from Ninong Andrew. Thank you, Ninong Andrew. Wow! Saya ni Riley, nakita na agad si Peppa.
Wow!
Wow! It's Peppa Pig! Gusto yan ni Riley. Gusto ni Riley si Peppa Pig. This is to Riley from Ate Cheska. I think this is for you and this is for Riley. Diba you said you love color pink? Thank you, Ate Cheska and Ate Arrange. This is from Tita Nicole pala. Galing kay Biel at saka kay Gavin. Pero hindi ko na alam kung ano yung nakalagay dito. Pero kasi nung pag-abot niya sa akin, Toy Kingdom yung nakalagay dito. At Toys R Us. So, nagkagulo-gulo na kasi guys, nung pag-uwi namin dito sa bahay, labo-labo na lahat ng mga gifts. Dahil nga ginulo na ni Arya. Tapos yung ibang gift wrapper, pinagtatatanggal niya. Thank you, Ate Biel and Kuya Gavin. From Tita Ines and Tita Tom and Basti. Thank you, Tita Ines and Tita Tama and Basti. Thank you, Kuya Batsi. Tawag ni Riley kay Kuya Basti niya. Kuya Batsi.
Open here, like this. I'll show you.
Pang-finale na natin yung mga malalaking gift, guys. Ito, meron tayong dalawang malalaking gift. So, parang may idea na ako kung ano yung laman ng isa. Happy birthday, love, from Tito Mon and Tita Nerissa. Thank you so much, Tita Mon and Tita Nerissa, for this gift.
Mine.
Oh my goodness! This is not for you, this is for Riley.
I like it.
Oh my goodness! Thank you so much! Next is this one from Ninang Ize. Yeah, Minnie Mouse! Thank you, Nina! This is from Happy Birthday, Riley, from Clay and Kaden Robenta. This is from,
Who's Clay? Who's Clay?
This is from Tita Kate. You sit down, please. You're covering
Mommy,
the
to ask.
Wow! It's so nice. That's for you na naman. Thank you po, Tita Kate. Para na naman daw sa kanya. Sabi niya, fit daw sa kanya yun. Okay.
Look at. Look at.
You show your camera today. Okay, let's ask Riley if you can have this one na lang. Riley, happy birthday from Iza. This is from Baby Iza. From Tito Jeff and Tita Freya. Hindi kasi sila guys nakapunta nung birthday party ni Riley. Kasi busy sila nun. May in-attendan silang meeting. So, kanina dumaan sila dito sa bahay para ihatid tong gift nila. Tsaka may mga binigay silang snacks for Arya and Riley. Thank you, Tito Jeff and Tita Freya and Baby Isa. Open it. There's a music stand pa. And there's I think there's a microphone. There's a microphone nga. See? This is from Tita Peng. Sinabi na to ni Tita Peng kasi wala daw name. Nakalimutan na lagyan. Riley will open it. Thank you, Tita Peng. Peppa, thank you, Tita Peng. Riley, look. Riley, look inside. Riley, look.
Who is that?
I know who gave that, Arya. This is from ano pala? From Cassie, from Tito Chris, Tita Car, and Kuya Carl. Yeah, wow, a big Peppa Pig. Thank you, Tita Car, Tito Chris, Cassie, and Kuya Carl. Ayan pala kasi, alam ko yan, tinawagan ako ni Tita Peng nung binibili niya yan. Sabi ni Tita Peng, magugustuhan daw yan ni Riley kasi pinabili na lang siya ni Tita Car kasi nasa Singapore yung ate ko. So, yun yung bigay nila Kuya Chris, ni Cathy, tsaka ni Carl. Thank you. Ayun, gusto ni Riley kasi laki niya. This is from, wait lang, I'm gonna take a video. Si Arya ang happy kasi unicorn daw. This is from, ano guys, from Ninong Froy and Ninang Ninya. Ayan, Ninong and Ninang Riley. Mga pamangkin ko. Wow, it's a unicorn princess horse. Wow! Kasi nakita ni Ninya sa IG ko. Pumunta kami ng Toy Kingdom, tapos umupo dito si Riley. Ayaw niya nang umalis. Nagustuhan niya. Kaya kaya naisip ni Ninya, ito yung bilihan nila ni Froy for Riley. Kasi for sure magugustuhan daw to ni Riley. Thank you, Ninang Ninya and Ninong Froy. Pero si ate ang nag-e-enjoy, oh. Kasi she loves unicorn. You love unicorn, right? Natulala ka na dyan. What did you say to ate Ninya and Kuya Froy?
Thank you.
Siya ang nagti-thank you. Itong isa, oh. Tinan nyo naman, walang pakialam. Hey, Riley. You love Peppa Pig? Yes. Sabi niya, yes. Daddy's gonna open it. Wow! Si Arya yung super excited. Nako, ano pa yan? Sobrang saya mo naman. There you go, Peppa. Ay, unicorn na pala. Ayan na yung guys, yung yung unicorn.
I want unicorn.
You tell Ate Ninya. That's Ate Ninya and Kuya Froy's gift for Riley.
I like
Because there's Riley's, Ninang and Ninong. Ayan, ang hirap i-assemble. Tapos yung hair niya, naglalagas. So, dapat talian ko yung hair. Eto, pinatulog na nila yung regalo ni Ate Erin tsaka ni Ate Cheska. Diyan sa table. Where's Peppa? Nako, ito na si Peppa, oh. May baby, pala siya, anak, nandito pala si George. Here's George pala. Sleeping na pala si Peppa. Palabhan muna natin to, anak. Nako, ang dumi pa, oh. Okay, you say bye, everybody. That's it for today.
It's still clean.
Still clean. Alright.
Good smell.
That's good smell. Alright, you say bye, everybody. Thank you for watching our vlog.
Bye.
And thank you, everyone, for Riley's birthday greetings. Happy birthday.
I want the unicorn.
Nako po. Riley, ate naman. Nag-aaway na sila, guys. Nag-aagawan na. Take turns, please. Oh my goodness. Si Ate Arya naman daw. Nagalit na si Riley, si birthday girl. Okay, Riley, go. Sige na. Come here. Yeehaw! Tigidig. Riley! You say bye na to everybody.
Bye. My toys are tulog na all.
Are tulog.
Look,
Yeah, let's show them. They're sleeping already. That's why you need to sleep na rin.
Look,
Okay.
Peppa's not yet sleeping.
And then Peppa. Peppa, good night. Let's sleep. Come on, we're all tired. We need to sleep now. Thank you guys for watching our vlog. Thank you for all your birthday greetings to Riley. Happy birthday again, Riley Peppa Pig. Thank you for watching our vlog. Good night, guys. Bye.